Robeco has a long history of breaking new ground in asset management. Pioneering is in our DNA. We have always been innovative in products, services, and investment solutions and have a clear vision towards the future. We introduced fund investing in the Netherlands in the 1930s, became pioneers in emerging markets investing, and these days we are leaders with innovative quant modeling and low volatility strategies servicing large institutions worldwide. When it comes to new ideas, we know the value of time, patience, and true dedication.
Our entrepreneurial spirit leads to an unconventional way of thinking about the relationship between risk and return.
We believe in thorough research and spend many hours on acquiring knowledge about companies, sectors, and trends.
But it is the knowledge sharing that sets us apart. We do this amongst each other, but more importantly, with clients and the academic world.
Building long-term relationships, together creating better solutions for tomorrow's challenges. A great example of knowledge sharing is our yearly summer university event, where we invite clients and highly acclaimed speakers to reflect on political and economic trends and developments. We advocate sustainability investing because this will help achieve long-term financial goals of our clients. Our changing world demands new ideas. We stand out from the crowd in terms of experience, investment process, track record, and vision when it comes to investing in new sustainable solutions.
ESG factors steer our investment processes, and so do active ownership and rewarding corporate leaders with our yearly Robeco SAM Sustainability Awards.
At Robeco, we serve a wide range of clients. We have a firm position in the retail and institutional market, as an asset manager, and in the area of fiduciary management and new pension solutions.
As a pension fund, we carefully selected Robeco because of their specialized and experienced pension investing team.
We believe in a combination of an innovative knowledge-based approach, an open mind, and pure commitment. We have a no-nonsense, hands-on mentality, understand who we are, where we stand in society, and have a clear vision of where we're heading. Robeco, the investment engineers.